Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing micro movements for the neck. Very small deliberate moves, but it's meant to go through all the joints that could be holding back tightness. Have your hands cupped both sides of the neck. Bend to one side and feel the opposite side slowly releasing. You can do this by sitting cross-legged like me, a simple cross-legged position, or sitting on a chair. Gently moving your head from side to side in a equal, consistent pace here. Slow, intentional. Start to do a semicircle on the front side, going through the center to the right and circling down to the left. When you do all this, try to feel your shoulders depressing downwards. We don't want the shoulders shrugging as we try to release tightness in the neck. You can try to visualize your shoulders moving down towards the floor or your neck lengthening upwards. Repeat the same semicircle motion, but right now is around the back. Keeping both hands cupping the sides of the neck will help your neck stay centered while you are doing this semicircular motion. Just gently move your head from one side to another, bending it to one side while making sure that the opposite shoulder stay down. And continue by looking down and up. Hold your elbows and put it behind you. You'll be extending the shoulders back this way. Continue to repeat the semicircular motion we did just now on the front side. To the right and down, center, and to the left. By holding your elbows this way, we can be sure that our shoulders will stay down. So if you have tightness around the shoulders, you can't reach your elbows, you can also put a towel and hold it behind you. Continue. This time, do a semicircular motion around the back. Whether you're doing the front semicircular or the back semicircular, make sure you do it intentionally by making it a full semicircle. Imagine drawing it in your mind-body connection that would help you to make the semicircle as circular as possible. To release, just side bend your head from one to another, from one side to another. While you're doing all this, make sure that you keep your spine upright. Check in on your posture and continue to move your head back and forth, front and back. Bring both arms up in a V shape. Open up the underarms area and just breathe. Feel the expansion around your chest and lungs. Also feel the length in your neck, especially the space behind the neck. If you feel pins and needles, try to hold on more for a few more breaths here. Breathe out to lengthen the sides of the torso. And slowly bring your arms down. Hope you like this short and sweet neck mobility routine. If you like my content, do like, share, subscribe. Would appreciate it very much. And I'll see you again in the next video.